On our Amana washer, the final spin light comes on but the machine will not actually spin. How to fix this?
Can you guesstimate how old your Amana is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
It's about 6 years old. I'm not finding a model other than this number, W10250884, on the back panel.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
I would like to. Can fix most things.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Will I need to replace a module, a switch, or?
Hello from JustAnswer in the appliance category. I'm sorry to hear that you're having issues. My name is Woody. I will be glad to assist you today. I have been servicing all major brands of appliances for 37 years. I own my own appliance repair company and I teach appliance repair at a local community college. I have over 100,000 plus in home repairs and over 80,000 internet repairs under my belt. You will be paying me for my answer to your appliance question, not for the repair of your appliance, hence the name of this site, JustAnswer. I will do my best to take the information that you provide to me and make a diagnosis for you to be able to repair your own appliance. Can I please have the full model number of the unit to better assist you? The model number is the lid at the rear of the opening on top loaders. If you open the washer lid, under the lid, not on the lid, but under the lid at the rear of the opening will be the manufacturer's model and serial number on a silver tag. And just inside the door on the face frame after the door is opened on front loaders. But W10250884 is not a model number.
Model number appears to be NTW4650X0. Serial number C327315599. Prefer to type and proceed with this site rather than call. Thanks.
The website sent you the phone prompt, not I. Thank you. Give me a minute or two to pull up information on this model. When the final spin light is on, is the lid actually locked?
The lid is locked and the lid locked light is lit up.
Okay, so when the unit should be spinning, do you hear the motor doing anything?
The motor isn't moving. Sometimes it sounds like there might be a switch coming on, but nothing seems to happen after that.
What type of noise sounds like a switch coming on? Do you mean you hear a click sound?
A click sound, like maybe a switch clicking on or off.
Okay, and the unit runs fine in the wash agitation, drain and spin modes for the wash cycle, just does not spin for the final rinse spin, is that correct?
Those first 3 modes seem to work okay, but machine stops at final spin light and lid locked lights are on.
Okay, so it is not an actual issue with the motor since it runs in both wash and rinse agitation modes and in the wash spin before the rinse cycle. So you have to have an issue within the electronic control board itself. The link below is to the part you will need from a highly recommended company rated A+ with the Better Business Bureau. They offer a 100% money-back guarantee, even on installed electrical parts, for an entire year. They are the only company to allow returns on installed parts for a refund and offer a full 1-year warranty. Click here.
Okay, promise not to shoot the messenger, but we'll look up and order the part. Thanks.
Glad to hear I do not have to duck and cover. If you need me again for any other issues, you can request me, WHRLP MasterTech. And even after you rate me today, if you have a question, just reply back to me. I will still assist you, no extra charges. But rating me is the only way I get paid for my time.
I'm a bit confused. Is Amana actually a Whirlpool product, since the link you refer to lists as Whirlpool OEM part?
Yes, Whirlpool own Amana, JennAir, KitchenAid, Maytag, Roper, Crosley, Kirkland, IKEA appliances only, and make approx 60% of all Sears Kenmore products also.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.